The Holy Stone HS110D offers a great blend of features ideal for both beginners and more experienced users. Its 1080p HD FPV camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens captures crisp, distortion-free images, allowing you to view and share your shots effortlessly via the app. The altitude hold feature ensures stable flight, letting you focus on capturing photos without worrying about losing control. Headless Mode simplifies navigation, making it easier to control the drone, especially when it's out of sight. Additionally, the HS110D comes with 3D flips for added fun and excitement. The mobile app enhances functionality with options like voice control, gesture control, trajectory flight, and gravity sensor control, making it a highly interactive experience. Simply use gestures to instruct the drone to take photos or videos. With 2 modular batteries offering up to 20 minutes of flight time, battery replacement is straightforward and safe. Overall, the HS110D provides a user-friendly, versatile flying experience.